Most people spend their entire lives working tirelessly, only to find themselves struggling financially as they approach their 50s. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it even possible to create wealth from scratch in your 30s or 40s? Well, it absolutely is. Every one of us at some point has faced financial challenges or is living paycheck to paycheck. In this video, we'll explore the strategies and action plans to make you rich and create wealth. Whether you're already in your 30s or 40s starting from absolute scratch, it's the dream we all share, to lead a life of financial freedom where you can call the shots, live the way you want, and secure your future. By the time you finish this video, you'll have a clear roadmap, a set of strategies, and most importantly, the right mindset to propel you towards financial success, regardless of your current situation. Before diving into the nuts and bolts of wealth building, it's crucial to acknowledge the reality of starting where you are at the moment and know your why. Why do you want to get rich? Is it for financial security, freedom, or to provide a better life for your family? Knowing your why will keep you motivated and focused on your goals. It's essential to begin with a clear understanding of the challenges and realities of starting from scratch in your 30s and 40s. It's not uncommon to feel like you're behind, especially when you see people who have been building wealth for years. But remember, everyone's journey is unique, and it's never too late to start. One important aspect to consider is the opportunity cost. You might feel like you've missed out on the advantages of starting earlier, but dwelling on the past won't change your current situation. Instead, focus on the present and the future. The sooner you begin, the better. But don't let the fear of starting late paralyze you. Starting from zero can be daunting, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed. However, a positive mindset is crucial. Cultivate a mindset of abundance, optimism, and resilience. You're not starting from zero. You're starting from the experience and wisdom that you've gained over the years. Be practical about what you can achieve, given your starting point. Unrealistic expectations can lead to disappointment and frustration. Take small, manageable steps and celebrate every victory, no matter how minor. Success is built upon a series of incremental wins. Most importantly, don't compare your progress to others. Each person's financial journey is unique, and comparing yourself to others can lead to unnecessary stress and dissatisfaction. Focus on your own goals and keep your eyes on the prize. Budgeting and saving are the foundational elements of any successful wealth-building strategy. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial success. It's not just about creating a restrictive spending plan. It's about understanding your money and directing it where it matters most. Without a clear understanding of your income, expenses, and the discipline to save and invest, achieving financial independence can be an elusive goal. Creating a budget that works for you involves tracking your income and expenses to understand where your money comes from and where it goes. Start by listing your sources of income, including your salary, any side hustles, and investment income. Next, categorize your expenses, including necessities like housing, groceries, and utilities, as well as discretionary spending on entertainment, dining out, and other non-essentials. One popular budgeting method and many find success with is the 50-30-20 rule. This rule suggests allocating 50% of your income to essentials, like housing, bills, and groceries, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to saving and investing. While this rule can provide a starting point, remember that it's not one size fits all, so adapt your budget to your personal circumstances and goals. Saving money consistently is just as important as earning it. Your savings serve as a safety net and an essential tool for building wealth. In your 30s and 40s, it's crucial to establish an emergency fund. This fund serves as a financial safety net, covering unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Financial advisors recommend setting aside 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in your emergency fund as a starter, and later on setting aside 12 months of living expenses. This ensures you can weather unexpected financial storms without resorting to high-interest debt. Furthermore, the power of compounding cannot be overstated. When you save and invest consistently, your money grows exponentially over time. The earlier you start, the more significant the benefits. Consider using tax-advantaged accounts like 401k, IRAs, or their equivalents in your country to supercharge your savings and investments. These accounts offer tax benefits and are a wise choice for long-term wealth building. Also, consider automating your savings by setting up automatic transfers to a dedicated savings or investment account. The key is to make saving a non-negotiable part of your financial routine. Debt can be a significant obstacle on the path to creating wealth and achieving financial independence, but with proper management, you can overcome it. Your 30s and 40s are the ideal time to address and eliminate debt, making way for more efficient wealth building. The first step in managing your debt is identifying and prioritizing your debts by listing all your debts, including credit card balances, student loans, and personal loans. Not all debt is created equal. Some carry much higher interest rates than others, so prioritizing paying them off based on interest rates, like starting with the highest or least interest rates, depending on your preferred attainable way, the sooner you should pay it off. One effective strategy for tackling high-interest debt is debt consolidation and refinancing. Debt consolidation involves combining multiple high-interest debts into one, often with a lower interest rate, making it more manageable and cost-effective. For example, let's say you have 3 different debts: a $5,000 credit card balance at 20% interest, a $10,000 personal loan at 10% interest, and a $15,000 medical bill at 15% interest. With debt consolidation, you might take out a $30,000 personal loan at 8% interest, which is used to pay off the 3 existing debts. By doing this, you've simplified your debt structure and reduced the overall interest rate, saving money in the long run. This method is particularly helpful when you want to streamline payments and pay off your debt more efficiently. Refinancing, on the other hand, entails replacing high-interest loans with lower-interest alternatives. Let's say you have a 30-year mortgage of $200,000 at an interest rate of 5%. After a few years, you realize that current mortgage rates are much lower, around 3.5%. By refinancing your mortgage, you take out a new loan at the lower interest rate, which could be $200,000 at 3.5%. This will lower your monthly mortgage payments and reduce the overall interest you'll pay over the life of the loan. Debt refinancing can be applied to various types of debt, including student loans, auto loans, and mortgages, to secure better terms, reduce monthly payments, and save on interest costs. Both strategies can save you money in the long run, but it's essential to understand the terms and fees associated with them. Besides consolidation and refinancing, several strategies can help you reduce and eventually eliminate your debts. The snowball and avalanche methods are 2 popular approaches. The debt snowball method involves paying off your smallest debts first, which can create a sense of accomplishment and motivation. In contrast, the debt avalanche method prioritizes the debts with the highest interest rates, minimizing the overall interest you'll pay. Choose the method that aligns with your financial psychology and goals. While it's essential to address high-interest debt, not all debt is harmful, and it's essential to differentiate between good debt and bad debt, and understand how each impacts your net worth and overall financial health. It's essential to have a well-rounded approach to income to achieve financial success in your 30s and 40s. Your primary job is often the foundation of your income. While many people consider their 9 to 5 jobs as merely a means of survival, they can be an integral part of your wealth building strategy. It's crucial to maximize your earning potential in your chosen field. One of the most direct ways to boost your income is through salary negotiation. It's important to time your negotiation strategically, such as after a successful project or performance review. Research industry standards and gather data on salaries for your role and experience level. In addition to your primary job, consider diversifying your income sources through side hustles or passive income streams, which will significantly enhance your financial situation. Side hustles can be part-time jobs, freelance work, or small businesses that you run on the side. They can provide an additional source of income that you can save or invest. While traditional income sources are valuable, alternative income streams can play a crucial role in your wealth-building journey, and passive income streams are one of the best to consider. Passive income streams require upfront effort but can generate income with minimal ongoing work. These can include rental properties, dividends from investments, royalties from intellectual property, or income from automated online businesses. The key to success with side hustles and passive income is finding opportunities that align with your skills, interests, and available time. Diversifying your income sources can provide stability and protect you from financial setbacks. Remember, increasing your income isn't just about making more money. It's about being intentional and strategic about how you earn and manage your finances. Now that you have income flowing in, it's time to explore how to strategically build and grow your wealth, and this is through investing your income. Investing is one of the most effective ways to get rich and grow your wealth over time. It allows your money to work for you, compound, and generate returns. Understanding various investment vehicles is crucial. These may include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and more. To learn even more about these financial vehicles, I have linked a playlist down in the description box below for you to get more insights on different investment assets. For instance, stocks have historically provided excellent long-term returns, but they come with higher volatility. Bonds are generally more stable but offer lower returns. Mutual funds and ETFs allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of assets, pooling money from multiple investors to purchase a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. Also, consider setting up a retirement account such as a 401k or an IRA. These accounts offer tax advantages and are designed to help you save for your retirement. Contributing to these accounts regularly is an effective way to grow your wealth over time. Diversification within your investments is a crucial aspect of risk management. Different assets perform differently under various economic conditions. By spreading your investments across various asset classes and industries, you reduce the impact of poor-performing assets on your overall portfolio and increase your chances of generating consistent returns. Building wealth isn't just about managing your finances, saving, and investing. It's also about developing yourself as a person and leveraging the power of your network. In your 30s and 40s, it's crucial to invest in personal development to enhance your skill set and mindset. One of the most important ways to build yourself is to never stop learning. The world is constantly evolving, so should you, and staying relevant in your chosen field is crucial. You are not the same person you were when the year started last year or 2 years ago. Consider acquiring new skills and knowledge that are relevant to your career or business through taking courses, attending workshops or seminars, or simply reading books related to your field or interests. Continuous learning not only keeps you updated but also enhances your problem-solving abilities. Your network can be one of your most significant assets in your attaining wealth and your financial success. The people you connect with can introduce you to new opportunities, offer guidance, and provide support. Attend industry conferences, local meetups, and online forums related to your field or interests. Seek out mentors who have successfully navigated the path to wealth building. A mentor can provide invaluable guidance, share their experiences, and help you avoid common pitfalls. Many successful individuals are willing to share their knowledge and experiences with those who show dedication and eagerness to learn. Building a professional network can open doors to job opportunities, collaborations, and investment prospects. As you accumulate wealth in your 30s and 40s, it's crucial to focus on risk management and wealth preservation. The best way to protect and safeguard your assets is by ensuring you're yourself and your assets. Health, life, property, and liability insurance are essential to protect yourself and your assets. Health insurance can prevent medical bills from becoming a financial burden, while life insurance can provide financial security to your loved ones in the event of your passing. Property insurance safeguards your real estate investments, and liability insurance protects you from lawsuits. Ensure you have the appropriate coverage in place to shield yourself from unexpected financial setbacks. Asset protection strategies can safeguard your wealth from potential legal threats. These strategies may include creating legal structures like limited liability companies, LLCs, which can help shield your assets from lawsuits or creditors. Another way to protect and preserve your assets is through estate planning. Estate planning is about ensuring the efficient transfer of your assets to your heirs while minimizing estate taxes. It's not just for the ultra-wealthy. Anyone with assets should consider estate planning. Consult with an estate planning attorney to navigate the complex legal aspects of this process and create a will, establish trusts, and make decisions about the distribution of your assets. It's also essential to conduct regular financial checkups to assess the progress of your wealth-building journey. Review your investments, adjust your portfolio as needed, and ensure your financial goals are still aligned with your current circumstances and aspirations. Remember to always appreciate every single milestone of your journey to financial freedom, no matter how small it may be. Every step taken to change your financial situation is worth appreciating.